Okay, that's why it's 28. LCM.
Thank you.
Okay, nice. So, are we good on this?
Miss Vince, that number is 28.
Yeah, this is 28. Are we good?
Yes.
Okay, I have to add a bit of correction later. The answer is supposed to be it's not 31 minus 1, it's 31 minus 31. But let's go. So, according to the pattern shown below, how many triangles is or are between the first symbol and the sixth? Yes, Anne? Okay.
Yes, because
Okay.
just divide into groups. Not first, and go to the first 6 shapes and draw a line on it. And do it just repeatedly, then now each group has 6. So you take 68 divided by 6. It comes with 11 with the remainder of 2. So we make sure to know the first 2 ones. It's the rectangle thingy and the triangle.
Okay.
And there are 11 groups, but each group had 2 triangles. So, we 11 times 2 equals 22, but we just need to remember the remainder. And it's a plus 1 triangle, so it's 23.
Okay, very good. Same as the other's idea. Plus, I really want to speak your name, but I don't know how to pronounce, and I don't want to offend and make mistake in pronouncing others' name. Okay? So just chat, okay? For the others if you want to help.
But teacher, my chat's disabled.
Chat is disabled?
Yeah.
Try.
It
Is it
says
okay now?
chat disabled.
Chat is disabled?
Same as me.
Okay. Object in the pattern is a triangle, so that's why we add 1. So, 23. Okay?
I need to copy.
Ay, okay, you want to copy?
Uh-huh.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, it's already there.
Okay, you're eating.
I'm eating breakfast.
Okay, that's good. Okay. You always eat before you study, okay?
But I had to wake up early. Miss Vince,
Yes?
I go out.
You go out?
10 o'clock, is it that early?
Actually, it's 9 a.m. there.
What?
It's 9 a.m. in Vietnam, I think. So, okay. Are we good on this? Because we'll move now.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, this one class, there are total of 17 chickens and rabbits in a farm. And the animals have total of 160 legs. How many rabbits are there in the farm? So for this one class, we can just actually say that 17 times 2. Okay, so let's find.
Okay.
So we have 34 here. Then 34, we'll have 60 minus 34. We'll be left with 26, right?
Yeah.
Now 26, let's divide it by 2. The answer is 13.
30.
Okay, or class, check this shortcut I will put. Okay?
So Vince, sorry.
Yes.
I think you need to record this class, right?
Oh, okay. Oh,
And
sorry.
also, question 5, are you able to
Recording in progress.
explain again?
Okay, we can go back to it after this one, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So, Okay, there are other 17 other. Sorry, okay.
Okay.
This is to find the rabbit.
Need to explain again.
Okay, 17 times 2, 34. Then minus from the 60. Then 26 is divided by 2. Then we'll have 13 rabbits. Okay, or we can just do this right away. This is the step by step by step, and this is the shortcut. Okay, I have I have shown you the shortcut and also the what do you call this?
Teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Miss Vince.
Yes,
Miss Vince. There are have 13 rabbits.
yes, there are 13 rabbits. Okay, so are we good on this? Because I'll move back to number 5 to recap.
Teacher,
Okay, yes.
is 60 minus 17 times 2 or 3?
Okay, it's 17 times 2. Okay, sorry for my bad penmanship. Just this. Okay, is that good?
Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, teacher. Sorry. I have the grade 2, not grade 3.
You can leave on the breakout room. Okay, and
Nghe chưa? 17 con gà và thỏ trong
Miss
một trang trại.
You should have.
Thì nó
Miss
là
Vince.
tổng hợp cũng là
yes, I'm Mr. Vince. Ma'am, not
thế
Miss.
là đúng
Mr.
rồi.
Vince.
Yes.
17 con trong trang trại.
What the
có
rabbit
bao nhiêu
is
con
has 2 legs.
và các
No. This is the solution for this one.
có
Just the
bao nhiêu
solution
con thỏ?
to find the rabbits. Okay.
Có 17 con. Yeah.
Excuse
So
me, teacher.
yes.
Could you please number 4 again?
Okay. Let me do number 5 first. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Then let's go to number 4 back.
Yes.
Nếu như 17 con.
So for number 5, for the one who was asking, this pattern is repeating by 6. Okay. As you can see, the box, 2 triangle box, and 2 circles again. So this one is repeating by 6. Okay. So that's why we divide 68 divided by 6. We'll get 11 and remainder of 2. And for these 6 patterns, for this specific 6 patterns, we know that the triangle is at least 2. So that's why we have 11 times 2. Okay? But that is not the final answer yet since we have the remainder. So if we have the remainder, then the pattern is like this. So we just count 1 and 2. Okay? So this is the second one. So that's why we add 1. Okay? If the remainder is 1, we don't need to add another 1 triangle because it's just a box. Was that okay?
Again, question 4.
Wait for number 4. Ma'am, for the one who was asking for number 5 is this okay now?
Miss Vince.
I am Mr. Vince or Coach
Mr.
Vince. Okay.
Mr. Vince. One rabbit have 2 legs or 4 legs.
That is just the proper solution for that one. You can follow that one. Okay, so let's go to number 4 again.
Enable the chat.
I think it was disabled. Okay, I will try to contact to enable the chat.
Seems like the chat isn't working for the past 15 minutes.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, for now, I have asked for enabling the chat. Okay. So let's go for number 4. So, okay, this is this one. Why is it 12, sir? For the one who was asking, we are finding the least common multiple of this one. This one, least common multiples. Not the multiple, but least common multiples. So we know that the common multiple of 5, 10, 15. Then we know that 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Okay, so this is their lowest common multiple. So for 6 and 4,
Teacher,
it's 6.
teacher, is LCM is this?
Okay. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. But we know the LCM is 12. So that's why it's 12 here. Okay? Then for this one, we can just put 7, 14, 21, and 28. Then 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. Okay, so that's their lowest common multiple. Okay, be careful of this question because some of you might be, what do you call this? Multiplying them right away. Okay, the chat is fixed now.
Thank you. It's very clear now.
Okay, you're welcome, sir. So, are we good on 4, 5, and 6, and 7 now? Or the chat is fixed, so if you want to ask a problem. Okay? So, are we good, class? What is that noise? Please unmute. So,
Mr. Vince,
yes, Mr. Vince, yes.
the question 7 is total is 1,120.
Okay, very good. So, nice, you answered it. But let me show the solution first. But very good. You have the answer. So, for this one, class, we need to find this one that if we add them directly, it makes 10. So, this one, and this one, then this one, and this one, right?
Yes.
Yes, so you can chat right ahead if you are, because I can speak your name, class. So, 153 plus 147, class, how much is that? 300?
300.
Okay. How about 114 plus 106? 200?
220.
Okay.
220.
How about 299 plus 301? This one is equal to?
600.
Okay. So, if we add this one, we'll have 520 plus 600. Then the answer is?
1,120.
Okay, very good. For question 6, why? Okay, are we good on this class? Because I will have to go to number 6 again.
Nói hiểu chưa? Ở đây người ta dạy luôn, ôn thi luôn ấy.
Okay. This one.
Next.
Okay. Wait.
Wow.
This one, this is the formula for this Zach. Divided by 2. This is the formula to get the rabbits. Then if the question is asking for chicken, you can just use 17 minus 3. If it's asking for chicken, so there are 4 chickens all in all. This is the easiest method.
Teacher,
Yes?
please give me the answer of number 5.
Number 5?
Nhiều. Các
The
bạn
answer?
Yes,
luôn đi uống
5,
nước mà.
5.
Còn rửa các bạn
Yes.
luôn thấy nó đặc. Con để như thế thì làm sao mà nó trở đặc?
Mấy bạn
The answer for number 5 is 23.
mấy bạn cần nói thầy review lại, nãy giờ còn chưa
23, number 5.
Yes, 20. Okay,
Yeah, and number 4. Number 4 answer.
number 4 answer.
này không nghĩ là các bạn.
This
Alright,
one is
this is starting
28.
with
28.
28, 28. Thank
Bây
you.
giờ hỏi ông đi.
Uống đi.
Okay. How about this one, class? 9
Trong cái phòng Zoom bao nhiêu bạn không?
9 plus 18 plus 27 plus 36. Okay.
Không, cái này không cần. Cái này chỉ là
So you can just add this right away. Or we can-
234.
class, I think we are wait.
9 plus
I'll have to
3.
mute. I'll have to mute. Okay.
9 plus
Mr. Vince.
3.
Yes.
Mr. Vince, the is the question 8 is true and red 52.
Okay, very good. But I'll just show the solution, okay? For this one, you can just add this right away. Okay? Class, you need to mute yourself first so that you
I know.
won't disrupt the class.
Cái phòng cũng ra.
So, we have here 9 plus 18 plus 27 plus 36 plus 45 plus 54 plus 60. It's just actually 9, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4
Đưa ăn thì cũng được ạ.
5 plus 6 plus 7 plus plus 7. Then you can just do this. So adding them right away, we have I'm sorry. We have 6 here, 10, 15, 21, and 28. So 28 times 7. The answer is 196. Okay, I can't really the noise is not helping me.
252.
Okay, class. I think the noise is not helping me. Can you mute, class?
9 plus 63.
Can you mute, class? Can you mute? How is that?
9 plus
Okay.
63. Question is 234.
Okay. So for this one, class, I'll just add them right away. So okay. So we have here 9 times 1 plus 7 times 7 over 2. So we'll have 9 times 28 rather. I'm sorry. I don't not this one complicating. Again. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay, so this one equates to 9 times 28. And after that, we'll have 252. Okay, so for those who have question 60, 7 to 84, then 8, 16, 24. So this is also the other way of answering this. So we can still get 150 here.
Teacher, I still have another method.
Teacher, teacher, I have another one.
Let's share your method later, okay?
Another method.
Yes, the answer is 23 on number 5, sir.
I have another.
Đóng cửa sổ lại thế. Rồi rụt rồi, rụt rồi.
Please speak in English. I can't understand, sir, or who is talking.
Không nói rụt đấy.
So let's go to number 10.
You confirm if your sound may be switched out of language, please update English Việt Nam or Việt Nam.
The
Yes.
question said the total is
Xuống đi rụt đó.
45.
Tiếp.
Okay.
Jesus nuts.
Thái tiếp. Việt Nam đi đấy.
Please, I can't understand if you are not speaking in English.
This is very nuts.
Okay, I'll just go over the problem. Okay, if you have question, just chat it.
Giờ là
Okay.
nhìn bay bay còn nhìn nó nhìn rụt rồi là các bạn này đây.
Find the value.
Mở chat lên thì
This is very nuts.
Không cần đứng cân, không hiểu nữa. Mà giải không?
đã đề nhận đáp án.
Đây thôi, không biết không?
Thế đọc.
Theo cái câu đó. Theo cái đề nó đó.
Please can mute.
Đâu đang cũng nhiều lắm. Còn
Who is talking?
Bùi cục nữa là có Việt Nam ta thế.
Your voice is disrupting the class, Mr. or Mrs.
Cái nó ra cái đó, tiếng được chưa?
Nhưng lại zoom ấy.
Các anh chị ơi, tắt loa đi ạ.
Tắt loa đi.
Please mute yourself. It's disrupting the class. Who is that? So, because I want to focus on the class now. Okay? So, 180 divided by 2, how much is that, class?
90.
What is 180 divided by 3?
60. 60.
Okay, 60.
Plus
What is 180 divided by 6, class?
30.
Okay, very good. We have minus here. What is 180 divided by 9?
20. 20.
Okay. Then 180 divided by 18 is?
10. 10.
10.
Okay. And 180 divided by 36 is?
5. 5.
5.
Okay. So if we have 90 minus 60, we have?
30.
Plus 30 is?
60.
Okay, if we have 60. Minus 20 is?
40.
Plus 10 is?
40.
50.
And minus 5 is?
45.
40.
Okay. So, question? But I think this is okay. So, let's go to number 11. Find the value of this one. So, you can just do that directly, but I'll show you the shortcut method for this one, okay? So, for this one, we can just actually do 130 times 130.
Miss Fiz, I chat with you in Timo. Okay.
What?
Can I go to the restroom?
So we have here 130 times 130. We'll have a 1,600. 16,900. And to get this one, we can just minus the 130 on this one. Okay?
Yeah.
So that makes it quick, right?
16,770.
16,770.
Yes.
Okay. So question 10 is 45 for the one who was asking on the chat. This is the solution. Okay? So let's go ahead. Number So we are on to number 12 right now. So how do we do this, class? 369 times 1.
Teacher is again.
Anh Tân Anh kedua.
Question 10.
Anh Tân Anh kedua.
Okay, question 10.
11.
11.
What?
What is your question here?
Yes. Is there?
Users.
Miss Fiz. I checked with you the question 12.
Please chat, class. Chat, class.
24. Finish.
Chat, class, chat. There is the chat box.
Stop talking.
Yes. Miss Fiz.
Oh my god.
It is.
Class, I don't know who to answer now.
Now you made the teacher off track. Look what you've done.
And what's the answers?
Class, if you have questions, class, please use the chat box. So I can... Please.
Mr. Vince.
Yes.
I checked with you the question 12. The total is 12. 25. MOOC exam review. Thầy nghe rồi.
Times 10,000 minus 1. And if we distribute this one, we'll get 41. This right here. Then minus 41. Then we have 40, 9, 9, 5, 9. Or you can just do multiplication right away of 369 times 1, 1, 1, 1.
But teacher, I know there's a method to it.
Let's save the other methods after the last, okay? Share your methods after we share your methods after how do I call this? After the class, after the last number, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's focus now, class. Off track. So the sum of integers a and b is 92. So we can just put this as a times a plus b is equal to 192. And a times 3 is equal a times 3 is of b. Okay? So we can just substitute here. So a
The total, the question
plus a times 3
the total is 43.
Please stop
So
talking.
you are wrong.
Yeah, I'm wrong.
Got to be not
Please.
Mr. Vince.
Please, it's disrupting me. I cannot answer na, class. Everyone is disrupting me.
Mr. Vince.
Class. Mute yourself and just chat on the box.
Sáng sớm nay em đã mắng anh này rủ anh đi chợ.
Mr. Vince.
Đúng rồi thì thôi.
Mr. Vince.
Chả vui vẻ gì.
Anh chị ở tắt mic hộ em.
Class, you mute yourself, class. You mute yourself, you chat at the box. I can't understand. It's disrupting me. So we have here 192 divided by 3 plus 1.
Hey.
So for 192, we are able to divide it by 4. Then we'll get 448. Okay? So this is how we do it. Just chat, just chat. You can understand English, right? You can mute yourself and you just chat. It's disrupting the class.
I don't understand your 8.
I also don't understand. Sao con không trả lời đáp án này?
There you go.
Okay, A plus B is equal to 192. If A is 3 times of B, then we can just say A, rather B, plus 3B, 4B,
Lúc mấy rồi vậy?
1000.
So let's go to number 14.
Thôi bây giờ con mở cái đề ra này.
Sợ sao người ta làm nhanh thế nhỉ? Teacher, when you go back to number 13, I'm still copying.
The question
What time did the lesson end?
120.
Teacher, what time did the lesson end?
Okay, you copy. Okay, you copy fast.
Con làm từng bài cho coi mẹ. Con làm từng bài kệ mấy cái đáp án trước.
Điền kết quả vào trong đây. Con làm xong rồi con điền kết quả cho đúng không? Để con thấy nè.
Okay, I'll just mute. Okay, we just chat on the chat box. So we go to number 14 now. What is the smallest 3-digit positive number that is divisible by 3 and 8? So for this one class, let's find the LCM of 3 and 8. Okay, so we have here 24. Now if we divide 100 by 24, we'll get 4 remainder of something, right? So if we round this up, so we'll get 5. And if we 24 times 5, we'll get a 120. Okay? So I'll have to specifically unmute and you can... Okay, let's just focus on the class first. I'll unmute later. You just chat your questions. Okay? So, what is the answer of question 13? The answer of question 13 is 48. This one. So you can take a screenshot in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then this one is for number 14. And let's go to number 15 now. So determine the operation of the symbol if A times B is equal to A plus 3 times B minus A minus. So we can just use this. So if 4 is A and B is 9. Okay, so we have if A times A plus 3, rather 4 plus 3 times B is 9, minus A is 4, and minus 2. So 7 times 9 minus 4 is 5, and minus 3, minus 2 rather is 3. So the answer is 21 here. Okay? Okay, nice. Okay, if you know the answer, you can just chat it in the chat box. Okay, so let's go for number 16 now. So this one, class, what is the largest two-digit positive number that has a remainder of 5 when divided by 8? So for this one, we'll have to do, it's two-digit, right? Two largest, largest two-digit rather, and divide by 8, then remainder of 5. So what if we try 99 divided by 8? And we'll get 12 remainder something. But if we multiply 8 by 12, we'll get 96. But, and it has a remainder of 5. So, this is 101. So, it cannot be. So, we'll go to 11. So, 8 times 11, we'll have 88. And that's where we add the remainder of 5. Then, we have 93. Okay? Remainder here is the remainder here is 3. Okay, what is the answer of number? Okay, I'll go back to number 15 now. And this is the solution. Okay, sorry. This is for number, okay, you just substitute. This one becomes A, and this one becomes B. Okay. So are we good on this? Okay, 13. What is 13? This one, okay, this one is 13. Okay, you can just screenshot 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So, this is number 15 for the last time. Then, okay. Let's go to number... Okay, 17. We are on 17 already. We are... Okay. Give me... What is the answer? Can you go back to 13? Okay. What is it? Number 13. 13. Okay, this is 13, class. Please take a screenshot. So, number 14. This one is gonna be the answer. So, I'll go back to question number 4 later. Okay. So, we have number 14 already. So, let's go to number... This one. So, the numbers below form an arithmetic sequence. So the number should be here 705, 697, 689, 681, and 673. So for this one, finding arithmetic number, so we can just use the first number, 705. If it's asking for that term, so we'll have 19 minus 1 multiplied by 8. So, okay. On the solution manual, it says plus, but it should be minus. Okay. So, 8 is the skip number here. This one is the number of terms. We should always minus it by 1. So, okay. What do you call this? Formula for this is the first number plus the number of term minus 1 times the skip number. Okay? But this one, this is plus, right? But for this one, this is decreasing. So this is a first number minus and minus 1 times the skip number. Okay? So what we have here is 705 minus 19. So we have here minus 18 times 8. And by using PEMDAS, we'll have 705 minus 144. So we'll have 561. Okay? So, okay class, I'll give you 5 seconds to screenshot this one. And we can go on further. So, screenshot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's go to number 18 now. So, the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers is 207. So, okay, remember the magic word is the odd here. Okay? So, we'll just have to divide it by 3, right? 207 divide by 3. So, this one is 18. And we'll have 6. Then, we'll be left with 27. So, this is 9. Okay. So, 69 is the number middle. Okay. But if we are finding the first and the last, so if this is the middle, 207, remember this is odd, so this should be, sorry, 69 rather, and this should be 67, and this should be 71. The first, the middle, and the last. The answer for 17, okay, just give me a second. So the answer here is 69 class. Okay, so you copy now, or you screenshot in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, because I'll have to go to number 17 last. So the answer is 561 here. Okay. So, okay. Let's go to number, okay. Here we have number 19. So 9 small squares of perimeters 12 are combined to form a large square. What is the perimeter of the large square? So we know by now this class, 9 small squares of perimeter is 12. So for this one class, this one has a perimeter of 12. Right? So what's the formula for perimeter of square? Use the chat box. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Chat box, chat box. Okay. It's B times 4. Okay, or S times 4. Or S plus S plus S plus S. So, if it is 12 here, the perimeter So it should be given that the side is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Right? So for this one, we can just say that since this is 9 small squares, this is 3, 3, 6, 9. Wait. 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4. We'll have 3. So, times 3. Okay. Okay. So, that's why pala. So, we have 36. So, this one is actually 3. Then 3. Then 3. Then 3. 3. 3 also here. 3. 3. 3. 3. 3. So, we have 9 here. Plus 9. Plus 9. And plus 9. So, 9 times 4 is equal to 36. Okay, nice. Okay, answer 18. Okay, take a picture of this first. The answer is 36. Okay, so I won't go back again. So let's go to number 18 since there is someone asking. Okay, let's do number 17 first. So this one is for the answer 561 for 17. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For number 18, this is the answer. So 69 is the middle. Then this one, it's 36. I explained why we had the 36, okay? Because one small squares is 12 perimeter divided by 4. We'll have 3. So 3 on the sides, 3, 3, 3. 9. 9 times 4 for the 4 sides. We'll have 36. Okay, so let's go to number 40. So, 20 rather. So this one class, this is just the formula. So a pyramid has 20 vertices. How many edges does this pyramid have? So 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. Then this is the sides, I think, rather. I forgot what this is called, but this should be the formula here. Okay, remember this formula? Okay, vertices minus 1, then we'll multiply it by 2, so we'll get the edges. So, okay, take a picture of that one. Okay, so let's go to number 21. So for this class, this should be easy because the cubes of the same size and shape are stuck together. At least how many square faces the cubes can be seen if observing from the top. So this one class, you'll just count them right ahead. You don't need to, you just count them right ahead. Yes, you may go. I'll go to question 12 after this. Okay? Okay. I'll go slower. So for this one class, we can just say, looking the figure from the top, yes, the answer, you are all correct on the chat box. So we can just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, so 11 cubes. Okay, that's right. So we have here 11 cubes. So I'll have to go back to number 12 just a second. This one, the answer here is it should be 16770. No. 12. 12 is 409959. I'm sorry. Okay. So let's go to number. If you have any questions, please use the chat box or I can reply well there. Okay. Please bear with me because. Okay. Okay. Now we have here how many triangles, class? So we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So it's just 6 triangles. Servings. Okay. Okay, I'll get back to 21 right after this. Yeah, 6 triangles for this. Okay? Again. This one is a big one triangle. Then here is a small one. Here one is a big triangle. And here is a small one. And here one is a big triangle. And here is a small one. So I'll do it small. Like this. Okay. This one and this one. This one also and this one. Okay, 6 triangles. Very good. So I'll get back to Mr. Cam. Okay. This is 21, sir. $11 cube. So viewing the cubes from the top. Okay, I'll go to number 11. So we have here number 11. The answer here is wait. The answer here for number 11, it's 129. It's just 1,000 16,000 rather 770. Okay. So class, there is actually a recording of this that will be sent via your email. Okay? So I'll go back to that number. Let me just finish the whole sequence, okay? So for this one class, 23. The question is asking, given that the parameter of a rectangle is 64, the side lengths of the rectangle are integers, what is the largest possible area of the rectangle? So for this one, we can just say 64 divided by 4 and we'll have 16. Okay? So now we got 16. So let's just do 16 times 16 for this one. So 16 times 16. Yes, you may go. So 16 times 16 is 256. Okay, I will go. Okay. Remember this one? Before I'll go back to number 22 rather. So, okay. We are good on number 23. I'll go to I'll let them see number 2022. Mm-hmm. Okay. So number 22 here is actually 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Is that okay? Yes, you may go here. Is this okay? Is this okay now? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go to number 24 now, so I can entertain your questions again later. Okay? So class, chat on the chat box. How many sides is the hexagon? How many sides is the hexagon? I'll go back later. Let me just finish. Okay. So there are 6. Okay. Then 9 points. So you can just do this 9 combination of 6. Okay. So this is actually 9 factorial over 6 factorial multiplied 9 minus 6 factorial. Okay. So this becomes 9 factorial over 6 factorial times 3 factorial. So we just need to distribute this one so we can remove the 6 below. So 9 times 8 times 7 and times 6. Okay. Factorial. All over 6 factorial 3 factorial. So this one is cancelled. This one is cancelled. And we'll be left with 9 times 8 times 7. How much is 3 factorial, class? It's 3 times 2 times 1, right? So it's going to become 6. So we can just 3 over 2. Then we can just simplify again. This is 4. This is 1. So we'll be left with 3 times 4 times 7. Okay? So 3 times 4 times 7. So 3 times 4 is 12 times 7. The answer is gonna be 84. Okay? Okay? Oh, sorry. Can you explain what factorial does? Factorial is like this. Sorry if I was too fast. Sorry. So, if factorial is like gonna be like this. If it is 5 factorial, it's gonna become 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. So, instead of writing this, we're gonna be writing 5 factorial instead. Okay? So, please take note of this solution if you are not that good with combination, so you can practice. So questions for this one, other than asking what is factor, he turned around to Sherman. Sentence 4. So number 7. Okay, number 17. Okay, so let's continue to number 25 now. So this one class, the question is asking if we construct two-digit numbers by choosing 4 digits from 1, 2, 5, 7, and 9 without repetition, what is the largest difference between two-digit numbers? So we'll have, let's line these numbers from greatest to least. So we have 9, 7, 5, 2, and 1. So to get the largest difference, we need the biggest and the smallest number we could have. So we have the biggest here. 9 and 7 already. So we have 97. So then we have 1 and 2 and 1. So to make it largest difference, so we'll have to make the other digit smallest. So instead of 21, we'll be using 12. Okay? So 97 minus 12, we'll have 85. Okay? So that's how we do it. Questions? In the chat box. I'll go over 1, 2, 3, 4 after 30. Okay, let's go. So number 26 now. So how many different triangles are there such that all of its side lengths are integers and its perimeter is 18? Class, perimeter formula of triangle. It's gonna be side plus side, right? How many side does triangle have? So it's gonna be side plus side plus side. Okay? So we're gonna have, if it's side lengths and its perimeter, so we're gonna have, what do you call this? The sum of the three sides is 18. So we can have 2, 8, 8 here. Sorry. Next is 3, 7, and 8. We have 4, 6, and 8. We have 4, 7, and 7. We'll have 5, 5, and 8. We'll have another 5, 6, 7, and we'll have lastly 6, 6, 6. Okay? So if we count them all, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 7 different triangles. Okay, so the answer is 7. Can you copy this before I go back to number 25? So, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 because I'll go back to number. So this one, this is the solution here. This is the biggest we can make out of these numbers. And this is the smallest we can make out of these numbers. Okay, 24 last. Before we go to okay, this is combination for 24. Okay. So last, then we'll go to number 27 now. Okay? Yes, you have a question? Mm. Okay, I'll write the solution again. So for this one, we need to find if the perimeter of a triangle is equal to side plus side plus side. So we need to have them the sum that equals to 18. So if we can start at 2 here, so we have 2, 8 and 8. Then we can also have 3, 7 and 8. We can have 4, 6 and 8. We can have another one 4, 7 and 7. Another one is 5, 5, 8. Another one is 5, 6, 7. Remember that if we add them all together, it should be equal to 18, okay? So this is the answer, 7. Are we good on this? Because I need to go back to number 27 now. So numbers are drawn from 35 integers, 1 to 35 at random without replacement. At least how many numbers needed to be drawn to ensure that there are two numbers, so sum is 46. So for this one, okay, follow this one class, follow this one class. Range and number, okay? So for 1 to 10, we're gonna be getting 10. 11 to 22, 12, 23 alone is 1, and 24 to 35. Gonna be 12. Wait, let me break it down. Yes, you may go to CR. Ah, 297. I forgot to add for triangle sum of uh the sum of two sides should, how do you call this? I'll go back to that question for the 297. Yeah, can integers be 11, 12? Yes. So this one, we're gonna have this, okay. So 1 to 10, 11 to 12, 23, and 24 to 35. So 1 and 35. Okay. Okay. So this one, okay. So we have here 10 plus 12 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. You copy first before. Yeah, you may go CR. Yeah, you may go CR. So the answer is 24. You add this one. So, okay. I'll go back to this one since there's someone asked, why do we not include 2, 9, and 7? Because the two sides of the triangle should be greater than the one side. So, if we add this 2 plus 7, then it's not gonna be a triangle. Okay? Yes, question, you can chat. So, for this one class, you just chat your questions, okay, class? So, Kevin is using three $10 notes, four $20 notes, and one $50 notes. If a toy costs $19, how many toy cars can you buy using this? So, let's find how much money do we get? 3 times 10 plus 4 times 20 plus 50. Okay? This is 30. This is 80. And this is 50. So if we add them all in all, we'll get 160. Okay? And if we divide 160 by 19, we'll get at least 8. Okay? So I'll just show you. So 19 plus 19 is 38. Plus 19 is 57. Then 76. Then 95. Then 114. Then 133. Then 152. Then 171. So it exceeds here. So we'll be using this. So counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8. So 8 toys we can buy all in all. Check answer in 27. So questions for this one before we go to 29. So, okay. Are we good on this? We don't need, no, the answer is 8. We'll be done exactly for the next hour. It's 24. 27 is 24. We don't need to find the remainder for this one. The answer is 8. Because we don't need to find the remainder since it's asking for how many toy cars. 27 is this one. Okay, 24. So let's go to number. This is okay. This one is gonna be the rectangle problem class. Okay, wait. Andy and all other students from class 3C are standing in a rectangular formation. Andy is standing at the right end of his row, and there are students on his left side. There are two students standing in front of him and two students beside him. So, if we draw it like this class, rectangle, okay? Andy, right end of his row. So, we have Andy here. And there are 8 students here. and there are 2 in front of him, and there are 3 behind him. Okay? So our solution is just gonna be like this. 8 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 plus, okay, sorry. Okay. So this is 9 times 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is gonna be 63. Oh, no. 54. Oh, why is this 63? It should be 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54, right? What's... Yes. If you have the solution manual, it was wrong. Okay. Yes, the worksheet says, I think that is wrong. Because 9 times 6 is 54. Okay. So 29, are we good on this? So we are to the last problem before we will recap our lesson. So this one, a group of 9 students are taking 4 students at a time. Each student has to take a photo with any other different pairs of schoolmates. At least how many pictures are there to be taken? Okay. So class, this is just 9 combination of 4, okay? 9 combination of 4. Let's do it. Okay, I'll put the formula here, okay? N CR, we have N factorial over N minus R. It's gonna be factorial minus the R factorial. Okay? So we have here 9. 9 is gonna be what's on top over 9 minus 4 factorial minus R factorial. Okay? Okay. R is 4. Then it's gonna be like this. 9 factorial, 5 factorial, minus... no. It's not minus. I'm sorry. It's multiply. 4 factorial. Okay? Then it's gonna become like this. The form factorial is like this, class. 9 factorial means 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. So that means factorial, okay? So now 9 factorial times 8. So to make this simpler, times 5 factorial. Then this one is 5 factorial times 4 factorial, okay? So we can just make this as cancelled, and let's spread Okay, distribute rather the 4 factorial. So we have 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. Okay? So for this part class, we can just actually what do you call this? Reduce the lowest term. So this is, we can make 9, 3 and 3 here as 1. We can make 8 here as 1. I rather 2. Then 4 here as 1. Then 2 here becomes 1. Then 6 here becomes 3. So we'll be left 3 times 2 times 7 times 3. Okay? This one, we multiply. It's gonna become 6 times 21. So if you multiply 21 times 6, we'll be able to have 126. Okay? So, no. Okay, I'll go back to... Is 30 now okay before we go back to some other questions? So, this is good, okay? We are done and I'm gonna entertain the questions now. So, okay, okay, I'll just do the 1, 2, and 3, and 4 first. Sorry. So the question here should be saying that what's on the solution manual is 5 plus 30, right? So to make it 5 on the solution, it's gonna be the 26th of May. Typo of the problem. Okay? Okay, you may go to drink water. So 26th, so that's why we have 31 minus 26 is equal to 5 for May, June, July, August. Okay? So June will have 30. We'll have 31 and we'll have 14. If we add them all, 80, then divide by 7. We'll have 7 remainder of 3. Then 3 days after Friday. So the question is not clear. Okay, just follow this. This should be Saturday, Sun, and Man. Okay, this should be solved like this. The solution manual is wrong. Okay, there are typos and errors. So that is for number 1. Number 2, the pattern should be okay. The pattern should be 1, 3, 4, 7, and 11. So it's just gonna be adding this, add this, then add this. So the next is 7 plus 11. So we'll have at least 18 here. Okay. Are we good on that? So I can do it. Yes, I am done. I'm just catering the questions. So this one class, yeah, there seems to be a typo. That is the correct solution. So here is 20. Since Liam is 20 years old now, 25 years later plus 5. Then 25 is Liam later. Then equal to the age of Richard 5 years ago. So we can just add under 5. So this one is 30. Okay. And lastly, number 4. Okay, class, this is LCM. Okay, LCM. 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 5, 10, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay? 6, 12. This is 18 and 24. This is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. So, their least common multiple here. Okay? So, 7, 14, 21, 28, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. This is their least common multiple. So, this is the answer. Okay, we are good to 1 to 4. What is the other question? 26, 25, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so okay, sorry again, question 3. It should be just like this. I think that is on the recording. But okay, we still have time. So I'll cater the questions. 5 to 10. So this one here, the answer is the pattern is repeating by 6. So that's why 68 divided by 6. We'll have 11 remainder of 2. Then it's asking for a triangle. There are 2 triangles for every pattern of 6. So 11 times 2, we have 22. But we have a remainder of 2. So by counting 1 and 2, we have another triangle here. Okay, so that's why we add 22 plus 1, we'll have 23. So let's go to this one, class. Okay, follow this formula, okay? 17 times 2, 34. Then 60 minus 34. We'll have 26. Then 26, we'll just divide by 2 and we'll get 13. Okay? Our other solution here is 60 minus 17 times 2 all over 4 minus 2. Okay? Okay, I'll go back 5 to 10 first because someone is asking. So, we are good now? This one, you just add directly. This becomes 600. This becomes 300. This becomes 120. So if we add them all together, we'll get 1,120. So for this one, you can just actually add them right away, or you can do this. Plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, and it will be equal to 9 times 28. Okay? So 9 times 28 is just equal. Wait, what number is this? 8. 9 times 28 is equal to 252. Uh, this should be the shortcut.